How do you debug Roblox UI scripts and events? If you are curious about how to debug your Roblox user interface scripts and events, you are in the right place. Debugging is essential for creating smooth and interactive experiences in your games. Let's break down the process step by step. First, it is important to understand that Roblox user interface scripts run on the client side. They often interact with events that respond to player actions or changes in the game state. The first tool you should use is the output window in Roblox Studio. This window shows real-time error messages, warnings, and print outputs from your scripts. Adding print statements inside your user interface scripts can help track variable values and the flow of execution. This makes it easier to find where things might be going wrong. Next, you can set breakpoints in your script. Click the margin next to the line numbers in your script editor to set them. When you run the game in play or run mode, the execution will pause at these breakpoints. This allows you to inspect variables, the call stack, and the current state of your user interface elements. You can step through your code line by line to see how events and functions execute. This is especially useful for complex user interface logic. While paused at a breakpoint, use the watch window to monitor specific variables or expressions. Hovering over variables in the code reveals their current values. This helps verify that user interface elements are receiving and processing data correctly. Since user interfaces often relying on events, testing these interactions is crucial. Use print statements or breakpoints inside event handlers to confirm they trigger as expected and that the event data is correct. For user interface scripts that communicate with server scripts, debug remote events and remote functions. Log data sent between the client and server to ensure synchronization and correct data flow. This helps prevent user interface glitches caused by communication errors. You can also use the Profiler tab to check if user interface scripts cause performance issues. High CPU or memory usage can affect responsiveness. Optimizing inefficient code improves the overall user experience. Roblox Studio's script analysis feature can help detect potential problems like unused variables or syntax errors in user interface scripts before running the game. For practical debugging of user interface components, add print statements inside event callbacks, like button clicks, to verify they fire. Use breakpoints inside functions that update user interface elements to check if they run and modify properties correctly. Inspect user interface element properties in the Explorer during a paused session to confirm changes reflected as intended. Testing edge cases, such as empty input fields or rapid multiple clicks, ensures robustness. By combining these tools and practices, both beginners and experienced developers can efficiently debug Roblox user interface scripts and events. This leads to more reliable and polished game interfaces. Regular use of debugging features in Roblox Studio not only helps fix current issues, but also builds a better understanding of user interface scripting mechanics within the platform.